Okay, we have a Southwestern Industries Trak vertical machining center, model LPM, serial number 103DJ62932. Machine was new in 2010. We're going to run her for you. Machine has a PROTOTRAK PMX CNC control. Right now we're running 2200. It goes up to 8000 RPM. Machine is very quiet. 4500 RPM. It has a Cat 40 spindle, 16 tool automatic tool changer.
That's
6,000 RPM. Again, top speed is 8. Travel of the machine is 31 inches in the X, 18.5 in the Y, 21 in the Z. You have a 35.4 inch by 19.6 inch table. That's your Y-axis. You just moved your Z up and down before. And your X. All the ball screws are quiet. Doing a tool change. Okay. All right. So you've seen the X, Y, and Z axes move. You've seen it simulate a tool change. You saw it run pretty high in the RPM. And hey, thank you for watching our video. All right.